Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set up OBS on a second monitor or projector. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, launch your OBS application on your computer. Once OBS is open and running, you'll want to direct your attention to the large preview area in the center of the screen. This is where you typically see your scene composition and what your stream or recording will look like. Now, right-click anywhere within this large preview area. This action will bring up a context menu with several options for managing your OBS workspace. What we're looking for here is the ability to project your preview onto another display, which is incredibly useful when you're streaming or recording and want to monitor your output on a separate screen without cluttering your main workspace. From the context menu that appears, hover your mouse over the option that says Open Preview Projector. When you hover over this option, you'll notice that a submenu appears to the side. This submenu is crucial because it displays all the available displays connected to your computer, including your second monitor or any projectors you have set up. This gives you the flexibility to choose exactly where you want your OBS preview to appear. In the submenu, you'll see a list of your connected displays. Go ahead and select your second monitor or projector from this list by clicking on it. The moment you click on your chosen display, OBS will immediately project the preview onto that screen in full screen mode. This means you'll have a dedicated, distraction-free view of your stream or recording output on your second display, while your main monitor remains free for managing scenes, sources, and other OBS controls. Although you may not see this option appearing in my recording since I'm using a dual monitor setup, but the submenu will definitely show up on your end with your available display options. And that's all there is to it. You've now configured OBS to display your preview on a second monitor or projector, giving you a much more efficient streaming or recording setup. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.